The Nicpow RD850 Mini Projector delivers big 1080p visuals in a tiny portable design. Built-in speakers and easy connectivity make it perfect for movies and gaming anywhere. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Nicpow RD850 Mini Projector. 100-inch projection screen. Remote control, power cable, AV cable, HDMI cable, and user manual. Product overview. Arrow keys, return key, OK key, power button, focus, keystone, headphone port, AV port, USB port 1, USB port 2, HDMI port. Remote overview. Power button, aspect ratio, arrow keys, home, menu, volume down, menu, screen flip, source, enter, return, volume up, mute. How to use. Set up your entertainment quickly with the Nicpow RD850 Mini Projector. Simply place it on a flat surface, connect the power cable, and turn it on. Adjust the focus ring on the side or top of the projector until the image is crisp and clear. If the screen appears distorted, use the manual keystone correction to straighten it perfectly. Take a moment to fine-tune both settings to achieve the best possible viewing experience. How to connect. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to your laptop and the other to the projector or TV's HDMI port. On your laptop, press Windows +P to choose Duplicate or Extend, and make sure the display shows correctly on the screen. Connect your iPhone to the projector using a Lightning to HDMI adapter and an HDMI cable. Then select the HDMI input source. Your iPhone screen will automatically mirror to the projector, allowing you to stream videos, apps, or presentations easily. Insert your USB drive into the projector's USB port. Then switch the input source to USB using the remote or menu button. Open the media browser, select your files, and start playing videos, photos, or music directly from the USB drive. Smart features. Supports HD 1080p playback, delivering crisp and clear visuals for movies, videos, and presentations. Enjoy detailed images with sharp colors and smooth motion, enhancing your viewing experience. Projects a large screen image, creating an immersive viewing experience for movies, games, or presentations. Can expand up to 200 inches, turning any room into a home theater without needing extra space. Offers versatile connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, VGA, and AV ports for multiple devices. Easily connect laptops, gaming consoles, smartphones, or USB drives for seamless media playback. Delivers bright and vivid visuals, ensuring clear images even in moderately lit rooms. High contrast levels enhance color depth and detail for a more lifelike viewing experience. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Nicpow RD850 Mini Projector from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Nicpow RD850 Mini Projector. See you in the next one.